Alright, we're cleaning a little home here. They have a large living room, as you can see, and they moved all the furniture around and everything. Some pretty good stains. It's kind of a brown carpet, because I don't know how it's going to look on video. We've got a hallway here. There's somebody vacuuming in there, so I won't show you just one bedroom. And got another room. We're probably just going to video the living room, maybe a little of the hallway, but that's about it. Let me step by you here. We're getting ready to put down our pre-spray. I'm not going to show that. He's just doing some preliminary spots.
Some ammonia.
Yeah. So that's what we're doing today, and it's a good sized room, as you can see from the size of my brother down there. So that's what we're doing today, so stay tuned. Alright, we've started. I won't video this half of the room too much because there's not a lot of stains at that end. They're mostly down here at this end, but just to get an idea, we're starting on it. It's already making the carpet fibers look a lot better.
There's stains coming out over here. There's stains all over the carpet that are coming out of it. The heavy stain is on the other side of the room.
Yeah. Stay tuned, work in progress. Alright, we got the boring half of the room done. This is the end that has all the stains in it. So depending on the lighting, I think you can see it there. The thresholds are always one of the darker areas because it's a major traffic area. People walk through in and out of that room all the time.
Yeah, anywhere where there's a doorway, you're going to have bad carpet in front of a door. Doors to the bathroom, doors to bedrooms, and doors to the kitchen is the worst. People go to the kitchen a lot. Everybody does. It's normal. I do it at my house.
Try over here.
This is a nice carpet, but it's permanently worn. There's areas that will never stand upright. The fibers are distorted permanently. That's okay. Still a good carpet to live on. It's just never going to be brand new.
Now, one of the good things about doing cleaning a carpet with this method is it does bring all the fibers back up. It just brings the life back into the carpet because it gets pretty smashed down just in general use. And this carpet is probably at least 10 years old, so it gets pretty tramped down after a while.
Now, the homeowner that lives here told us that he had cleaned the carpets prior to us coming a while back with a Bissell Pro Heat. And those clean carpets real well, but the problem with them is if you don't clean carpets all the time and you follow the directions Bissell gives you, you'll put your soap in the machine with your water, and when you do that, you don't have no dwell time on your stains. So whenever you hit a dry carpet with water and soap for the first time, it won't take the stain out right away, so you'll go over it 2 or 3 or 4 passes. And when you do, you're going to get your pads flooded with water, and when you get your pads flooded with water, when the carpet dries, the stains will all resurface because it'll wick back. Now, there's nothing wrong with the Bissell Pro Heat, but the way Bissell and Rock Doctor and all them sell their products tell you how to use soap fast. Because they're not into the Bissell and they're not into the machine business, they're into the soap business.
Yeah.
They sell the machines to sell you soap.
Well, they sell a really high pH soap, and it gets stains out real good, but it leaves a residue behind, so stains come back. It leaves a sticky residue on the carpet, and so everything sticks to it, and your carpets get dirty again. So then, of course, the thing to do is go buy more soap and clean the carpets again. So they sell a lot of soap.
Now, technically, the homeowner didn't do anything wrong.
No, it's just the way it thinks.
Bissell gave them bad advice. That's how they teach people. They want you to don't use your soap. If you have to make 2 or 3 passes over the carpet because the soap doesn't have a chance to work, you'll go through soap quicker and you'll buy more soap. And that's the business in is selling soap. They want you to use the soap fast. So they tell you the best way to run through it. But the Bissell machine is great. If you pre-spray your carpets, like you guys have seen us do when we body clean, and you let the soap dwell on the carpet, and then you put plain clean water, it don't matter if it's hot or cold, in your bizzle, your rug doctor, or whatever you got, the stains will come out on like one pass generally, maybe two if they're real set in. But if you pre-spray the carpets first, you won't have the trouble of having to go over the carpet 4 or 5 or 6 passes and get your pad wet.
Now we're using a neutral pH pre-spray on this carpet, and we have a higher pH that we use on really bad carpets. But
for greasy restaurants and that
yeah,
kind of thing.
but unless there's a lot of grease or something like that, we stick with a neutral pH, so there won't be any residue left from our cleaning. Now, there can be residue from previous cleanings that other people have done, but this will help bring the pH of the carpet back down. Another thing you can do if you have a carpet machine, well, what they've got here is a little Bissell Pro Heat.
Put some vinegar in.
Yeah, every once in a while fill it with about a cup or two of vinegar and water and go over the carpets with vinegar, and that's an acid. And what that does, that lowers the pH of the carpet down. It makes the carpet softer and fluffier, and it helps break up any residue that's in the carpets, and you pull it up with your machine.
Get rid of all the residual soap that's left over from cleanings past. But you can pre-spray your carpets with soap and water, like we're talking about, and then go ahead and put vinegar in your tank with your water. Put about half a cup of vinegar to a full tank of one of those machines, and then you'll.
As you're pulling your soap back out, you're also bringing the pH back down a little bit.
Rinse as you clean the carpet and remove the soap, you'll be doing an acid rinse at the same time. Then you don't have to make several passes.
Now, what we're going to do on some of these traffic areas, there's an after spray we're going to use, and it's got a heavy peroxide in it. It's not over-the-counter peroxide, it's stronger. It's a 6%. Over-the-counter is usually about 3%. And we're going to put some peroxide down on some of these dingier areas, and then as that dries, that lightens the carpet.
And word about the peroxide, if you're not using peroxide that's strong enough to burn your hands, it's not going to clean the carpets.
Well,
it has to be the dangerous kind.
Yeah, it's not dangerous like your hand's going to fall off or anything, but you want to make sure and wash your hands.
You can stop the burn.
You can wear some gloves, like kitchen gloves or something when you're using it, or you can just wash your hands as soon as you're done.
You can put baking soda on your hands and get rid of it that way.
Yeah.
But if it's not the kind that will actually burn your hands a little bit, it's not going to clean the carpet.
Okay, he's getting in some darker areas.
That cheap department store peroxide, that 3% stuff, that don't do this stuff.
Okay, he's getting ready to get you some darker stains. Now, one thing, this machine does offer an advantage over traditional carpet cleaning methods because it has a lot of agitation.
That's the whole
it doesn't just rotate; it orbits, so you have a dual action cleaning going on. It cleans all sides of the fiber as it goes over.
Well,
it doesn't
a lot of people have asked us, where's the dirt go? Are you spraying
it's just being absorbed into the pad.
It goes into the bonnet. The bonnet is 1 inch thick and it absorbs everything.
When it gets to where it seems like it's not working as well, he'll flip the bonnet over and use the other half.
Yeah.
And eventually we have to wash it out and get all the dirt out of it.
I've got a brand new bonnet that I can put down if I needed to, which I won't have to. This bonnet will absorb 2 rooms this size without even flipping it over, and that's the rooms are real dirty. And this rooms aren't that bad.
But the carpet's looking better.
Yeah, it's cleaning up. It's going to have some permanent wear in it, but it's going to look nice.
So, this is actually a really fast way to clean a carpet, and the carpet's dry. These carpets should be dry in about an hour or so.
The ones I did behind me might be.
Yeah, they're pretty close to dry. So it's nice because you can start using the carpet again real quick. When a carpet's wet from cleaning, you don't want to walk on it too much because it's more easily stained again while it's still damp. So if you use a method to clean the carpets where it takes 5 or 6 hours or even over a day to dry, then there's a big chance the carpets are going to get dirty. Plus, you have problems as the carpets dry too slowly. You're going to have mildew and other things that can start to develop. So the faster you can get your carpets dry again, the better. So that's one of the things we love about using this low moisture cleaning method.
In the place we live, we're the only people in this region that do this method. Everybody else uses a
truck mount.
They use a truck mount. And everybody we work for is hardwood, and they have their carpets wet either all day long or overnight, and they don't like that. They want the carpets dry reasonably quick so they can. A lot of people are harassed because they got 1 hour and they're going to have a party. They're going to have family or guests over, and they don't want the carpet soaking wet. They want to get their furniture back down, and they want to get on with their lives. And we're selling this method in this area where we live at because no one else does it. So the door's been opened up for us, and we're taking it.
Alright.
If you're in an area of the country where nobody does this, by all means, you should start out. We got this territory.
The carpets are lightening up a little bit too. They may have had a little surface dirt in them and everything. Even if you have a really good vacuum cleaner for your house, there's still dirt that's deep down the carpet that it doesn't pick up. And this breaks all that stuff loose and brings it to the surface, and it can be absorbed.
We'll recommend to the customer tomorrow, not today, when you know the carpets are fully dry, vacuum them.
Yeah.
Vacuum a couple north, south, east, and west.
You may pick up a lot more than you usually do.
You should pick up some dirt because we're bringing stuff up from the bottom.
Yeah. These are pretty good. These are good carpets, and they're decent quality, so the stains come out. On really cheap contractor grade carpets, like a lot of apartment complexes use, and they put them in starter homes, the carpets are such that after 2 or 3 years they start to wear out, and you really can't keep them clean at that point. So these are actually a really nice grade of carpet.
I'm just gonna flip the bonnet. It probably don't need it, but I'll do it just to hit the rest of the room, and then there's a hallway and a bedroom as well.
He's basically got the worst of this out. I'll walk around real quick and show you. I'm not going to video a whole lot more just because it's going to be an hour long. But he's got this hallway, which isn't too bad. Got one room in here, which again isn't too bad, and just a little bit of hallway here, and then this back room. So anyway, I'll pause the video here, and then if I might show you some final results or something like that if we have time. But anyway, there's a good stain. Anyway, hope you're enjoying it. And I'm pause it here though. Alright. He's going to work on this bedroom a little bit. It's going to take a while. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here though, just because it's too hard to video in here. But we got some red stains to deal with and everything. But nope. But let me show you a little bit here. The living room's starting to basically already be dry, and we haven't even finished the hallway yet. And we put some peroxide-based after spray down to help the traffic patterns to lighten up. So it's all coming out pretty good. And the carpet, the nap of the carpet's been restored pretty good. The only thing left, some furniture dents, but that's no big deal. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.